Okay, it's official. I've retired every flimsy plastic baster in my kitchen drawer. This one is the real deal. This is the Zulay Kitchen stainless steel turkey baster. This feels like a professional tool. Heavy duty body, stainless steel, cool touch silicone bulb, and solid suction powder. It even comes with 2 injectors and the cleaning brush. Everything stores nicely right here inside once you're done. So the suction power is actually quite impressive. One squeeze and you're gonna pull up plenty of liquid without dripping it everywhere. I like the angled precision and I like the needles because you can inject, you just screw it on and you can inject marinades so deep into the meat for extra flavor. Cleanup is a breeze. Everything detaches and it is fully dishwasher safe. This Zulay kitchen baster is built to last and it feels like something your grandmother would have trusted. Highly recommend.